Alright, so we've got Memphis, we got Suezo and Horse in green, and then Rabbit and JC
This is
in
Tennessee
red.
versus Louisiana right now.
In the middle of fucking Mississippi.
Hopefully, Memphis is Tennessee, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank God. Yep, cool.
We know geography. Right?
Oh, yeah. All right.
Yeah, so Suezo and Horse have been doing a really good job in the games thus far, keeping the zone control, keeping their opponents completely separated.
Yeah.
Rabbit and JC are having a little bit easier time getting in than some of the previous opponents, keeping it even so far.
Yeah, they just
especially
hit
if
really
they
hard, generally. This is looking kind of like last time, where it's pretty even. I think it's really, can they kill Rabbit is generally what decides the game.
And can Rabbit make sure she does not get killed by her stage hazard?
Yeah, it's true. Ooh. Okay. I like that back air to make sure that Falcon doesn't get edge guarded. Like, as long as they're both off stage, that's way better than only Falcon being off stage. So I think, although Falcon did still die in the end, I think that was a good choice by Rabbit.
Right.
Rabbit had some pretty good heads up plays and doubles for sure. Oh man, this is looking great for red.
Yeah.
I wasn't sure who'd.
Yeah, now they're.
That was good.
It went from looking favored for Memphis, now it's.
Okay.
Okay, they got Rabbit stock, so it's still if as long as JC doesn't rack up too much damage while Rabbit's dead. But no, we're good.
That was good. Yeah. Okay. A little bit of a scrap for sure. Sheik alone.
Ooh, that was. They didn't let Sheik go anywhere on that one. That was good. Oh no, that's unfortunate. But
yeah,
Rabbit keeping them away from trying to get that edge.
That was a really clutch grab, preventing Falcon from being killed. And they're both at kill percent. We're gonna see.
If she gets this knee right here.
I was literally gonna say we're gonna see an up smash soon, and yeah.
And you got it up.
Oh man.
She came out a little. Okay.
Okay, we're just.
Oh.
Fuck.
That was great.
Yeah. Oh no.
Uh-oh. No, they're still good. That's the
team combo, but evil. Oh, that's a dead fox, probably. Oh no, wait. I wonder if that forward smash was a misinput.
Rabbit really needs to get one of these kills really fast.
Yeah.
I think she got it there.
Oh my god.
I think she got it. Okay,
she's getting both of them. Wow.
Wow.
Oh.
That's Rabbit.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
There's a chance.
Okay, if she gets this tech chase.
Alright.
And Rabbit gets out.
Oh, no up smash. Probably misinput on the jump cancel. Okay, misses. Ooh.
Oh, that's it.
Wow.
Yeah. And Memphis managed to pull it back out again.
Yeah.
For the first one.
That was a good clutch. That was a really good clutch. Damn. I think getting kneed by your teammate and dying is it's not good. But still super winnable.
Yeah.
Could have easily went Rabbit's way.
I think Rabbit was maybe not quite mentally prepared for that tech chase.
Yeah.
With the Sheik to come out right there. Because that's just no fun when you realize, like, oh, wait, I was at 0%, now I just got tech chased for like 50. You're like, oh, man.
Suddenly, Sheik's combo game puts you off stage, and then you just die randomly, right?
Yep.
Ooh, almost picks it up. JC almost picking up a launch from, wow. Nice.
And honestly, sometimes I find Sheik to be more of a demoralizing character to play against than even Puff in some matchups.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, okay.
Oh, and you got a Falcon punch. That's one for the
Falcon
set.
can't live here. Oh, Suezo, that was really good going up, going high, and just making sure that Falcon stock ends. That was dope. That was scary. Double stomp. Someone's launched. Gets back to the ground. All right. Let's see what's
Ooh, the Rabbit with the weight. She just stood there for about 4 seconds.
Rabbit is a fucking killer. Oh, JC's getting fucked up right now. Oh,
that was unfortunate. If Rabbit can keep him away from the edge.
Yeah,
he gets
living
back
though.
fine.
Living though.
Yeah.
fucking chaos. Holy.
I have mixed feelings about Unfrozen Stadium in doubles at this point, having played it a couple times today.
I have very, very strong feelings that it's fucking terrible.
Yeah.
Nintendo, if you're watching, fuck.
Let us freeze it. Come on. I mean, I like Unfrozen Stadium, but
I like it as a concept, but I don't actually.
In tournament, it can feel really bad sometimes.
Wow, I saw like 8 different moves, and I feel like only 10 damage was done. So, yeah, everyone's doing a pretty good job of not getting blown up early.
Yep. Ooh, JC.
Ooh, okay.
Okay, she holds on, she lives.
Yeah.
That was really good because if she died right there.
Yeah, we haven't seen any really big combos. It's just been a lot of chip damage.
Good tech there, but then Rabbit goes down to 1 stock.
Okay, that'll do it.
Yep.
Good pickup.
All right.
Really good.
And now they really need to pick up.
Yeah.
The Sheik. Okay, they're in a great spot now.
Fox needs to die. Oh. Yep. All right, even.
All right, now we're separating them.
Good stomp. Wow.
Oh. Must be a miss.
Oh, invisible ceiling. Interesting. Very interesting.
Okay, we got back to Sheik.
Oh my god, the lightning kick of doom.
I half wondered if they were just going to stay on Zelda for a minute
there. Suezo tried to get off the windmill and couldn't, and wanted to down smash at the ledge to kill Falcon, and was just on the windmill, getting cooked. Okay, this is still totally winnable for Rabbit. This is still
she can just get the 1 kill, and then not get Sheiked again.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay, here we go.
I do not agree with forward smash there.
Okay, we cleaned it up. Okay. Okay, I think can she do it? Yep, she got it.
GG. That was good. But again, close. That was good. Very very tight competition we've got here. What stage do you think they'll go?
I wonder if we'll go Dreamland here.
I feel like
I don't know. They're gonna go Yoshi's.
I think Yoshi's. They want less room for Falcon to move around.
That's true. I was thinking Sheik probably wanted to, have a little more room for the tech chases when they do their zoning and separating.
Yeah. Well, and I think as opposed to tech chases on this smaller stage, we're probably gonna see Suezo maybe down smash more and just tilt more instead, which still, I mean, racks up the damage, pops up.
Especially when it makes it really hard for Falcon to run in and get those knees.
You try and go in with the aerial, and Sheik just fucking kicks you. Weird shit with Random. Everyone survives, though.
Yeah. Really good at Rabbit there. I think took that Firebird stall to let JC kind of force him back before she went onto the stage.
Okay, goodbye, chat.
Head now. I have to step away for a moment too, chat. We'll be right back. And I do not have a co-commentator for this, and this is my first time on comms, so we'll see how this goes. What are we at? We still got mostly even game. Rabbit loses the last stock. JC's got to hold on until Rabbit gets back. We're good. And now we're in a pretty even spot. Get them off stage. She gets the immediate kill and gets you followed up, and that's it. So now we have Rabbit and JC up 2-1 over Suezo and Horse. They're going to go back to Yoshi's. Alright. Clearly feeling confident in that choice despite the loss. Bit of an awkward situation where neither the Sheik nor Fox could get away, with JC sitting back behind throwing out knees while Rabbit was pressuring both on field.
Hey guys.
What's up?
Who took the last game?
It was Rabbit and JC won. So it should be 2-1.
Red team?
Yes.
Got it. Thank you.
And let's see. Suezo really holding on to that fourth stock, doing pretty good. Up, gets hit by the knee with JC. Good shit. Really important to go ahead and get that stock taken care of. Ooh, oh, that was a very unfortunate grab release caused by Rabbit coming in right there. Oh, and unfortunate Randall timing. Rabbit wasn't quite close enough to get up there to get the recovery from Randall. Both of them down one stock to do a little bit of work to get even up the game. See if she can get the edge guard here. As long as JC's struggling a little bit on the right side up, but she gets the kill, so it didn't matter. And now they've mostly evened it back up, except for percent. A little bit scary if you're JC right here, being at 100% of Yoshi's, and yep, there goes that stock. But did close the gap. A little bit anyway. Oh, and Rabbit lives. That's really good. Oh, and then we come in with a random fair. Kinda not a whole lot you can do about that. Don't have the space to work with. I guess this is more of what we were expecting to see out of the Yoshi pick. Ooh, good shine spike, and mostly even game now. Very even game. And back to 2v1 with Rabbit. Can she bring it home for this one, or are we going to game 5? She's gonna do her best, and she very well might do it here. And that's one. Oh, no, not quite. And she picks up the first one to get the second. Not too good. And she gets it, and that'll be it, I believe. Yep, and that's it.